Hi guys, it's Whisper, and I am back from the dead to tell you what's been going on with my life ever since I finished hiking the Appalachian Trail. So I probably sound different right now, and that's because I have COVID-19. Um, Here it is. I tested positive yesterday and really sucks, but luckily, as far as I know, I haven't spread it. It's actually a great opportunity for me to talk to you guys because ever since I got back from the trail, life has been moving really quickly. And although I think about you guys, my subscribers, every single day, I have not gotten around to making a video. So here we are. So here I am. I am home, and so far the transition from the back country to the front country has been pretty smooth. And I have my friends to thank for that. I got home and decided to go on a trip for 9 days up to Rochester, New York to visit Kayla, my best friend from high school, who you guys probably remember because she picked me up in Virginia.
Yeah, your mom. Kayla! Oh my god, you smell so good. Thank you.
And totally surprised me and brought me home for a couple of days. That trip was exactly what I needed to relearn how to be a human being. So that trip did a lot for my mental health, and I just came back to Charlotte feeling ready to be a human again. I am back at work full time. I work at Gear Goat Exchange, so if you ever want to come visit me, please do. I can sell you some outdoor gear and we can talk about life and backpacking and whatever you feel like talking about. And yeah, I'm doing great. I'm very happy. I am starting to think about what is next. And when I think about what's next, a lot of things come to mind. Unfortunately, the PCT is probably not going to happen in 2023. I will need more time to save up for my next thru hike, but I'm thinking about other things, and I'm getting excited about those other things. That is what's going on with Whisper right now. I want to keep on posting videos, and I don't think you guys will ever be able to get rid of Whisper in the woods, but the next couple of months might be inconsistent until I can get back on my feet again, just financially, and also when it comes to time, I need to relearn how to manage my time. But if you want to reach out to me, please do. I'm actually going to attach a link, 2 links, 3 links in the description. I'm going to attach my LinkedIn account. I'm also going to attach my Instagram. So if you'd like to direct message me on either of those platforms, please do. And then the final thing, which I have been going back and forth about, is sending out my summit cards. So I'm going to put the link to a form on there, and I'm gonna ask for your address and your email because I haven't decided if I want to send physical cards or virtual cards. It just depends on how much money I'm willing to spend right now. So still deciding on that, but if you would like one of those cards, please fill out that form. The final thing that I want to talk about is college. I reached out to one of you guys a couple of weeks ago, Robert Bruck, and started talking to him about attending North Carolina State University for zoology and possibly entomology. Slight side note here, I don't know if you guys remember this, but I was listening to entomology podcasts on the AT.
I am currently listening to a podcast about, well, it's called Ologies, but I've started thinking about going to school to study insects. So I have one on the study of insects downloaded that I'm listening to right now, and then later I'm going to listen to one on the study of butterflies. Potential career? Maybe.
And that got me really excited about bugs. And as of today, I've ordered a butterfly net, so we are starting to deepen that hobby. Hopefully it'll take me somewhere. But yeah, I just thought that was really interesting how that progressed. But college. College. Yeah, so I'm thinking about college. Robert Bruck has been the best ever. He is helping me navigate everything. He's talking to me about some really good scholarships that could save me loads of money. So that is something else that is on the table. It just comes down to what I want my next challenge to be. So we will see. I'm at least going to apply, and that's also some really exciting news. I love and appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for bearing with me, and let's see what's next. Bye, you guys.